Hello everyone, this is Learning with Leora, and today we will be going over fruits and vegetables in traditional Chinese, simplified Chinese, English, and Spanish for beginners. First, we're going to start with fruits. 水果 frutas. Apple, apple. Manzana, manzana. 苹果 苹果. Orange, tangerine. Naranja, naranja. 橘子橘子. Blueberry, blueberry. Arándano, arándano. 蓝莓蓝莓. Watermelon, watermelon. Sandía, sandía. 西瓜西瓜. Banana, banana. Banana, plátano. 香蕉香蕉. Cherry, cherry. Cereza, cereza. 樱桃樱桃. Strawberry, strawberry. Fresa, fresa. 草莓草莓. Next, we are going to review our vegetables. 蔬菜 verduras. Lettuce, lettuce. Lechuga, lechuga. 莴苣生菜莴苣生菜. Carrot, carrot. Zanahoria, zanahoria. 红萝卜红萝卜. Tomato, tomato. Tomato, tomato. 番茄番茄. Broccoli, broccoli. Broccoli, broccoli. 绿色花椰菜西兰花绿色花椰菜西兰花. Corn, maíz. 玉米玉米. Avocado, avocado. Aguacate, aguacate. 洛梨牛油果洛梨牛油果. Eggplant, eggplant. Berenjena, berenjena. 茄子茄子. Mushroom, mushroom. Champignon, champignon. 蘑菇蘑菇. And lastly, onion, onion. Cebolla, cebolla. 洋葱洋葱. That's it for today. Thank you for reading along with me, and don't forget to subscribe.